In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson Workforce Pro 3820 printer that is printing lines. If you see lines like horizontal lines or vertical lines, then you can follow this process. Go to the printer control panel. Go to the main screen of the printer. Scroll ahead and select for the maintenance. Scroll down and click on the printhead alignment. If you have a vertical lines in the printout, select ruled line alignment, select the horizontal alignment. So right now I'm just going to do the one that is the vertical. So click on the print. In this printout, we have to check a square that has the fewest vertical lines. That means the one which is perfect, we have to select that. In each row, we have to select that option, and also we have to select the straight line in last two. So this will make the printouts to become free from any vertical lines. In the same way, it is horizontal setup as well. So let's do that. So for the straight line, we can see the -1 is the correct option. So it can be different for each printout. Number 5. Click on the proceed. Press OK. So changes will reflect on the main screen once you start printing again. In the same way, you can do the horizontal alignment and it will fix all the lines in the printouts. Thanks for watching.